Warning: this video may inspire you to drop down and start doing burpees right now. Discover the surprising effects of doing 100 burpees every day on your body. Burpees have gained immense popularity as a dynamic full-body exercise that can provide numerous benefits when incorporated into your fitness routine. In this video, we'll explore the potential changes and transformations that may occur when you take on the challenge of completing 100 burpees every day. So, if you're ready to discover what happens to your body through this intense workout, let's jump right in. But before we get started, let's quickly recap the advantages of burpees. These exercises are a combination of several movements, including a squat, a plank, a push-up, and a jump. By engaging multiple muscle groups simultaneously, burpees offer a holistic workout that targets both your upper and lower body. They are renowned for boosting cardiovascular fitness, building muscle strength, aiding weight management, and even improving flexibility and mobility. Now, imagine what could happen when you take on the challenge of completing 100 burpees every day. So, let's find out together. Attention all gym goers. You think you're in good shape? Wait until you hear about the incredible benefits of doing 100 burpees daily. Trust us, your body will never be the same again. Burpees are a dynamic exercise that provides a range of benefits for your body and overall fitness. Here are some key advantages of incorporating burpees into your workout routine. Cardiovascular fitness and improved endurance. Burpees are a high-intensity, full-body exercise that gets your heart pumping and increases your cardiovascular endurance. By elevating your heart rate and challenging your respiratory system, burpees help improve the efficiency of your cardiovascular system, enabling you to endure more intense physical activities and enhancing your overall stamina. Muscle strength and development. Burpees engage multiple muscle groups, including your chest, arms, shoulders, core, glutes, and legs. As you perform the squat, push-up, and jump components of the exercise, you activate and strengthen these muscle groups. Over time, consistent burpee training can lead to increased muscle strength and development, contributing to a more toned and defined physique. Calorie burning and weight management. Due to their high intensity and full body engagement, burpees are an excellent calorie burning exercise. They elevate your heart rate and activate multiple muscle groups simultaneously, resulting in an efficient calorie burn during the workout. Additionally, burpees can help boost your metabolism, leading to increased calorie expenditure even after your workout is complete. This can be beneficial for weight management and fat loss goals. Increased flexibility and mobility. Burpees involve movements such as squatting and jumping, which require a certain level of flexibility and mobility. Regularly performing burpees can help improve your joint range of motion, enhance overall flexibility, and increase your body's functional mobility. Remember, the benefits of burpees can be maximized by ensuring proper form, gradually increasing intensity, and incorporating them into a well-rounded fitness routine. It's also essential to listen to your body and modify the exercise as needed based on your fitness level and any pre-existing conditions. So, why not give burpees a try and enjoy the transformative benefits they can bring to your body and overall fitness journey? The 100 Burpee Challenge is a fitness goal that involves completing 100 repetitions of the burpee exercise in a single session. It is a test of endurance, strength, and mental fortitude. Many fitness enthusiasts take on this challenge as a way to push their limits, achieve personal milestones, and experience the transformative effects that come with consistent, intense training. Gradual progression and proper form are crucial when taking on the 100 Burpee Challenge. It's essential to start at a comfortable level and gradually increase the number of repetitions over time. Rushing into 100 burpees without building up the necessary strength and endurance can increase the risk of injury and hinder progress. By gradually increasing the number of burpees each day or week, you allow your body to adapt and strengthen, reducing the likelihood of strain or overexertion. Moreover, maintaining proper form throughout the challenge is vital. This means executing each component of the burpee, the squat, push-up, and jump, with correct technique and alignment. Proper form ensures that you engage the targeted muscle groups effectively and minimize the risk of injury. It's advisable to seek guidance from a fitness professional or use instructional videos to learn and practice the correct form before attempting the 100 Burpee Challenge. It's important to note that the effects discussed in the video are based on the assumption that the 100 burpee challenge is completed with proper technique and form. However, individual results may vary based on factors such as fitness level, body composition, and overall health. Mental and psychological effects. Boosted mood and increased energy levels. Engaging in the 100 burpee challenge can have significant mental and psychological effects, including a boosted mood and increased energy levels. When you perform intense physical exercise like burpees, your body releases endorphins, which are often referred to as feel-good hormones. These endorphins can induce feelings of happiness, reduce stress levels, and contribute to an overall sense of well-being. Additionally, the release of endorphins can provide a natural energy boost, leaving you feeling invigorated and revitalized after completing your burpee session. Furthermore, the focus required to execute 100 burpees can enhance your mental clarity and concentration. During the challenge, you need to stay present and focused on each repetition, ensuring proper form and technique. This focused mindset can carry over into other areas of your life, helping you improve your ability to concentrate and stay mentally sharp in various tasks and activities. Personal growth. The 100 burpee challenge also offers opportunities for personal growth, discipline, and mental toughness. Committing to performing 100 burpees every day requires discipline and dedication. It challenges you to develop a routine, prioritize your fitness goals, and make a daily commitment to yourself. By consistently meeting this challenge, you can improve your discipline and build a sense of accomplishment. Additionally, the 100 burpee challenge builds mental toughness and resilience. Each repetition of the exercise pushes your physical limits and can be mentally challenging. By overcoming the mental barriers and pushing through the challenge, you cultivate a sense of mental toughness, determination, and the belief that you can achieve difficult goals. This mindset can extend beyond your fitness journey and positively impact other areas of your life, helping you tackle challenges and persevere through obstacles with increased confidence. Considerations and precautions. When taking on the 100 burpee challenge or any intense exercise regimen, it's crucial to listen to your body and avoid overtraining. While the challenge can be physically demanding, it's essential to pay attention to any signs of excessive fatigue, pain, or discomfort. Pushing through these signals without proper rest and recovery can increase the risk of injury and hinder your progress. It's important to strike a balance between pushing your limits and allowing your body the time it needs to rest and repair. Gradual progression and modification based on individual fitness levels are key considerations when embarking on the 100 burpee challenge. It's essential to start at a level that suits your current fitness capabilities and gradually increase the number of burpees over time. Rushing into 100 burpees right away can place excessive stress on your muscles, joints, and cardiovascular system, increasing the risk of injury. By gradually building up your strength, endurance, and fitness level, you allow your body to adapt and minimize the risk of strain or overexertion. Additionally, modifications to the exercise may be necessary depending on individual fitness levels and any pre-existing conditions. Beginners or individuals with specific limitations or injuries may need to modify the burpee exercise to ensure safe and effective participation. Modifying the exercise can involve performing a modified push-up or reducing the intensity of the jump. Consulting with a certified fitness professional can provide personalized guidance and modifications tailored to your specific needs. It's important to prioritize your health and seek medical advice if necessary, especially if you have any pre-existing health conditions. Certain health conditions, such as cardiovascular issues, joint problems, or musculoskeletal injuries, may require special considerations when participating in the 100 burpee challenge or any intense exercise program. Consulting with a healthcare professional, such as a physician or physical therapist, can help determine if the challenge is appropriate for you or if any modifications are needed to ensure your safety. In conclusion, we have explored the potential effects of doing 100 burpees every day on your body. It's important to note that the effects of the 100 burpee challenge can vary for each individual. Factors such as fitness level, body composition, and overall health can influence the outcomes. Before starting such a challenge, we strongly encourage you to consider your own goals and consult with professionals.